Coins versus tokens. One mistake I made when I first got into Web3 was calling every crypto a coin. But if you've been doing the same, don't stress. Almost everyone starts there. Not every crypto is a coin. Some are coins, others are tokens. And once you know the difference, crypto suddenly becomes way less confusing. Think of coins as your country's official currency. Let's say Naira, shillings, dollar, rands, etc. Coins run on their own blockchain. They are the native currency of the network. Bitcoin has a Bitcoin blockchain. Ethereum runs on its own Ethereum blockchain. BNB runs on BNB chain. If blockchain is the currency, the coin is the official currency printed by the government. I hope you get it. Now, tokens are different. Tokens are like businesses that operate inside a country. They use the country's road, electricity, and system, but they don't own the land. So tokens live on top of existing blockchains. For example, Shiba Inu, what we all call SHIB, doesn't have its own blockchain. It rents space on Ethereum. So it's not a SHIB coin, it's a token because it depends on the Ethereum network. So why does this structure even exist? Because building a whole new blockchain from scratch is hard, expensive, and unnecessary for most projects. Coins exist when a project needs its own independent system. Token exists when a project only needs the feature of a blockchain, not the whole blockchain. So now, go shine and correct your newbie friends, of course respectfully, and as always, learn smarter with Bitget.